Hey guys, Lou here from LT's Custom Woodworks. We're here doing the assembly of the bar unit. If you haven't seen my last video on building it, I'll throw it in the description below. You can also catch it at the end of the video. So today we are doing the assembly of this, and we're going to get started on securing the cabinet to the face frame of the unit. Now we've noticed that the floor is not level, so we're going to shim up the front until it's level, and then the customer will float out the floor if he's going to use self-leveler or any kind of floor patch that he desires. And just push it in there a bit. Right there. Okay, so we had some issues with the plumbing here. When we had the bar unit up against the wall, the plumbing was in the way. So the customer suggested pull it away from the wall, he'll call a plumber in to have all the plumbing moved, and then he'll take care of pushing this back into place and making sure that there's an opening on that side to get in behind. And then he'll level off the floor. So we have this one side put together. We're going to put together the other far side, and then we're ready to level the frame up. Now what I'm going to do is slide these panels in place. I'm going to pin them in with brad nails. I'll do the same thing for this bottom, and then we're ready to put this countertop in as well. Now that I have all the countertops in place, I'm going to drop the bottom panels in place and pin those down, and we're good to go. I'll take any of them, whichever piece you want to give me. one. It is, I'm not sure if it's for...
Oh, really? What's this for?
Now we're pretty much putting the last piece on to cover all this. And I'm just going to shoot this in with brad nails. Okay, now I'm going to run a bead of translucent silicone just on this edge here. So if you spill a drink, it's not going to leak in and leak through. Well, that pretty much wraps up the video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment below, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.